Hello, this short video will describe the curbside service at Foxburg Free Library. Instead of coming into the library to check books, you can check them out on the online catalog. Simply go to the Foxburg Library website. You can search by title or author into the top search bar as shown here. After searching for a library item, you can go under all locations and change location to Foxburg Free Library. This will bring up books only available here in the library. From the search results, you can see if an item is still available. There is no need to place a hold online. Clicking on one of these entries will also bring up more information such as a summary on an item. When you know the item you want to check out, call us or email us with the item's author and title. If you are unsure of these, please describe the item as best you can. Also, please provide your name, contact phone number, and the last 4 digits of your card number. Then you will need to schedule a time for pickup. The phone number and email are listed at the bottom of this page. When you come to pick up your items, due to social distancing guidelines, pickups will be held every 10 minutes. Please wait inside your car or outside the library until the patron ahead of you has concluded their pickup. Upon arrival for pickup, please knock on the front door to be let in. We will have your order bagged and ready for pickup and placed on the bench in the vestibule at the library entrance. Please double check your bag to make sure that everything for the pickup is correct. To later return your items, place them in the library book drop or inside the vestibule if the library is open. All returned items will be disinfected and quarantined for 3 days. Please do not attempt to disinfect the items yourself. Also, all fines incurred during the March to June time window will be forgiven automatically due to the COVID-19 outbreak. If you have any more questions, please feel free to email us at foxburgfreelibrary@gmail.com or call 724-659-3431. Thank you.